Hello, my friend. Namaskar. You have heard the name of SBI Clerk. Maybe you are preparing for the examination. Why this job is very, very good for women and what is the salary slip? So, first, I will discuss about the salary slip. Then, I will discuss about why this job is, you can say, in my opinion, it is a very good job for girls. Okay. So, first of all, it is a big brand. As you know, that in India, the biggest bank in India, it is SBI, State Bank of India. So it is a brand. Okay, so there is 100% job security. You can rely on it, and this bank will give you everything whatever you desire. So if you want to prepare for this bank, so there are so many, you can say, resources which are available. So, but which I recommend, that is Oliveboard. So Oliveboard is it is in industry from the very long time. So there is a foundation batch for banking insurance examination. So maybe you are targeting this year, maybe you are lacking behind, maybe you are giving the examination, but you are unfortunately you are unable to clear the examination. So there is a foundation course from the Oliveboard. So where you can watch in your mobile or laptop. So here 300 plus 50 videos are there, live videos are there, and this batch already include your pre and your mains exam. You are going to get PDFs and everything, and here you can use the coupon code GG10 to get the maximum discount. So when you apply the discount, so this is the price that you need to pay. So in this course you are going to get everything including your current affairs. Now discuss about the salary slip. So as you can see, this is the salary slip of Feb 2025. Okay, so here I have hidden some personal information. So the DA. So what is the DA? DA means dearance allowance. So it is like inflation. So every year there is a increase in the inflation. So your DA is always going to increase. Always your DA is going to increase. So when you join, your basic pay is 26,730 rupees. Okay. So this then we are having the DA. So DA is 21% of the basic pay. So whenever there is an increment, like I say next increment. So whenever you have completed 1 year, you are going to get one increment in your basic pay. Your basic pay will increase. So according to that basic pay, everything here, every allowances like HRA, transport, everything, it is going to increase. So I always recommend you to clear the JIB CAB exam. Okay. Now we are having the dearance allowance. So that is 7,600 rupees. Then your HRA house rent around, that is all depend on your basic pay, and HRA all depend on which city you are posting. Maybe in the rural posting, maybe in the, you can say, Mumbai posting, or maybe your can say state capital posting. So that HRA depend on which city. Then we are having your transport allowance, special allowance, and special pay. So when we include everything, we get that total pay can say approximately 46,000 rupees, or we can say it is nearby 50,000 rupees. Okay? So you are going to get 50,000 rupees from the SBI every month. So this is a good salary in terms of today. 50,000 is good. Now there is a detection. Now there can say professional tax. Then if you have joined any union, so it is depend on you whether you have opt for union or not. So you can join or you can leave it. Then we are having the NPS. So NPS is an account that open at the government of India side. So that is a new pension scheme. So there is a contribution from your salary, and SBI also going to contribute. So this, when you are going to retire, so this invest into a different mutual funds. So it is automatically going to increase, and when you are going to retire, you are going to get a huge amount. So NPS is also good thing. So these are the things. Then we are having your in-hand salary. So that is approximately 43,000 we can say. So this is your in-hand salary that you are going to get in your account after deductions of anything. Now, why this job is very good for women? First of all, SBI transfer policies are very, very good, and they are going to consider everything. Let's suppose you are a working woman and your husband is, or can say is all, can say working in some XYZ organization, and you on the basis of husband ground you can request the HR that, sir, I want to work on this location. So they are going to give you the preference, and maybe soon enough you are going to work at your husband location. Or maybe you can say, let's suppose you are working in some XYZ organization, maybe the health of your parents are not good. So on the basis of your medical ground also, you can request for the transfer, and you maybe you can get as soon as the you can say your posting near to your parents. And SBI always try to put women near to their home location. So wherever is the hometown, the SBI will try. See, we know that branches are limited and the staff is already limited and the seats are limited and everyone wants to work near to their home posting. If vacancies is there, then SBI is going to give you the preference. Okay, so once you have joined the you can say SBI clerk, so every month you are going to get 50,000 rupees, and you can say every year it is going to increase because you are going to have the increment. And if you have cleared the JIBCB already, your basic pay is going to increase. So there is always increment in your salary. So you can rely on this. And in my opinion, for a single woman as of today, let's suppose you are not married, 50,000 is a very good salary in terms of today. Tomorrow, when you are going to get married, then all you can take the loans, vehicle loan, house loan, personal loan. So SBI is going to give you the concession. Why? Because you are a staff. So there are so many you can say loans SBI give in lowest interest rate as per the simple interest. You know the difference between compound interest, simple interest. As a staff, when you join SBI, you are going to get the loan in simple interest. So in my opinion, SBI is a very good brand. It is, you can say, biggest bank in India. And as a woman, you should join SBI Clerk. And there is, you can say, as you know that in the PU, there is little bit more workload as compared to clerk. So clerk is having a fixed job and you can do your job. You can complete the task whichever is assigned to you from your seniors, and you can go home in the specific time. Okay. So I always you can say recommend if you want a stable job with a job security, then SBI is a very good brand that you can join. ओके सो इसी के साथ दोस्तों जय हिंद जय भारत एंड इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट फील फ्री टू आस्क इन द कमेंट सेक्शन ऑफ द वीडियो